February 2024, 7:32 a.m., Miami, Florida. Daniel Rodriguez opened his email. Subject line: IRS Criminal Investigation Division. Immediate response required. His heart stopped. He clicked. The letter was clear. The IRS had tracked every single cryptocurrency transaction he'd made since 2017. Every Bitcoin trade, every Ethereum swap, every wallet transfer. Total unreported income, $47 million. This is his story. And if you've ever bought, sold, or traded crypto without reporting it to the IRS, you need to hear what happened next. Daniel Rodriguez was obsessed with technology. In 2013, at age 22, he was a computer science student working part-time at Best Buy. He had $3,000 in savings, and he just discovered Bitcoin. Bitcoin was trading at $100. His friends thought he was crazy. Digital money? That's not real. But Daniel saw something they didn't. He saw the future. He bought 30 Bitcoin, $3,000, his entire savings. For years, nothing happened. Bitcoin went up, Bitcoin went down. Daniel held, he believed, and in 2017, everything changed. Bitcoin exploded from $1,000 to $5,000, then $10,000, then $15,000. By December 2017, Bitcoin hit $19,000. Daniel's $3,000 investment was now worth $570,000. He was 26 years old. He had more money than his parents made in 10 years, but Daniel didn't cash out. He did something smarter, or so he thought. He started trading, day trading, swing trading. He traded Bitcoin for Ethereum, Ethereum for Litecoin, Litecoin for Ripple, back to Bitcoin. He was making money on every trade, and here's where the problem started. Daniel thought that as long as he didn't convert crypto back to dollars, he didn't owe taxes. He thought crypto to crypto trades were like-kind exchanges, tax-free. He was wrong, catastrophically wrong. The IRS treats every crypto trade as a taxable event. Bitcoin to Ethereum? That's a sale of Bitcoin and a purchase of Ethereum. You owe capital gains tax on the Bitcoin you sold. Every single trade. Daniel didn't know this, or he didn't want to know, because in 2017 and 2018, he made thousands of trades, and he made millions of dollars in gains. By the end of 2018, his crypto portfolio was worth $8 million. He'd turned $3,000 into $8 million in 5 years. He was living the dream. He bought a penthouse in Miami, a Tesla, a Rolex, designer clothes. He posted everything on Instagram. Crypto millionaire lifestyle. Built different. Self-made at 27. He never filed a tax return, not once. He didn't think he had to. The money was in crypto. It wasn't real money yet. But the IRS was watching. Here's what Daniel didn't understand about cryptocurrency and taxes. Every exchange, every platform, every wallet, they all report to the IRS now. Coinbase, they report. Binance, they report. Kraken, Gemini, FTX, when it existed. All of them. If you trade more than $600 worth of crypto in a year, the platform sends you a Form 1099-B, and they send a copy to the IRS. Daniel had accounts on 7 different exchanges. He'd received dozens of 1099 forms. He threw them all away. He thought if he ignored them, they'd go away. The IRS knew everything. Every trade, every gain, every dollar. They were just building the case. In 2019, Daniel kept trading. The crypto market crashed. His $8 million portfolio dropped to $3 million. But he kept trading, trying to make it back, trying to win. By 2021, the bull market returned. Bitcoin hit $60,000. Ethereum hit $4,000. Daniel's portfolio exploded to $50 million. $50 million. He couldn't believe it. He'd made it. He was rich, truly rich. He bought a Lamborghini, a yacht, a second home in the Bahamas. He lived like a king, and he still never filed taxes. But in 2022, something changed. The IRS launched Operation Hidden Treasure, a specialized task force targeting cryptocurrency tax evasion. They had new tools, blockchain analysis software, AI tracking systems, partnerships with every major exchange. They could see everything, every wallet, every transaction, every penny, and in early 2024, they came for Daniel. The email was just the beginning. 3 days later, IRS criminal investigation agents knocked on his door. They had a warrant. They seized his computers, his phones, his hardware wallets, everything. They had records of every trade he'd ever made. From 2017 to 2024, 7 years, thousands of transactions, millions in gains. They calculated his tax liability, capital gains tax on every profitable trade, short-term gains, taxed as ordinary income, up to 37%, long-term gains, 20%. State taxes. Florida has no state income tax, but federal was enough. Total owed for 2017-2023, $22 million in federal taxes, plus penalties for failure to file, 25% of taxes owed, plus accuracy penalties, 20%, plus interest compounding daily since 2017. Grand total, $47 million, more than his entire net worth. Even after the 2022 crypto crash, which had cut his portfolio from $50 million to $15 million, Daniel panicked. He hired a team of tax attorneys, top firm, $50,000 retainer. They reviewed the IRS's case. Then they told him the truth. You're in serious trouble. The evidence is overwhelming. Every exchange reported your trades. Your social media posts prove you had the money. You willfully failed to file for 7 years. The IRS offered a deal. Pay everything you owe. Sell your properties, your cars, your crypto, everything. Set up a payment plan for the rest. Cooperate fully. And maybe they won't pursue criminal charges. Willful tax evasion is a felony. 5 years in federal prison per year unfiled. Daniel could face 35 years. He took the deal. He had no choice. In 6 months, Daniel lost everything. The penthouse, foreclosed. The Lamborghini and yacht, repossessed and auctioned. His crypto holdings, liquidated by the IRS. His bank accounts, seized. He moved back in with his parents. He's 33 years old. He owes the IRS $32 million. What's left after they took everything he had? He'll be paying them for the rest of his life. The IRS garnishes 70% of any income he makes. Before he sees a penny, he got a job as a software developer making $120,000 a year. He takes home $36,000 after the IRS takes their cut. His Instagram is gone. His crypto Twitter account with 50,000 followers, deleted. He can't post about his millionaire lifestyle anymore because he has nothing. The dream is over. So what can you learn from Daniel's case? First, every crypto transaction is taxable. Bitcoin to Ethereum, Ethereum to Solana, trading one coin for another, all taxable, even if you never convert back to dollars. Second, every exchange reports to the IRS, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, all of them. They send Form 1099-B to the IRS. If you trade crypto, the IRS knows. Third, the IRS has blockchain tracking tools. They partnered with Chainalysis, Elliptic, and other companies. They can track crypto across wallets, mixers, and exchanges. Nothing is anonymous. Fourth, I didn't know is not a defense. The law doesn't care if you didn't know. Ignorance is not an excuse. You're responsible for reporting all income. Fifth, social media posts are evidence. Every Lambo photo, every yacht video, every crypto millionaire post. The IRS uses it to prove you had unreported income. Here's what crypto traders need to understand. The IRS is aggressively targeting cryptocurrency. They know people aren't reporting. They have the tools to catch you, and they're coming. If you trade crypto, you must report it. Every trade, every gain, every loss. Keep detailed records. Use crypto tax software like CoinTracker or Coinly. File your taxes every year. Set aside 30-40% of your gains for taxes, not next year, now. Because if you make $100,000 in crypto gains and spend it all, you'll owe $30,000 in taxes you don't have. If you have unreported crypto income from previous years, you have one option: voluntary disclosure. The IRS has a program. You come forward, you file amended returns, you pay what you owe, but you avoid criminal prosecution. Daniel didn't do that. He thought he was smarter than the system. He thought crypto was untraceable. He thought the IRS didn't understand blockchain. He was wrong on every count. The bottom line, cryptocurrency is not a tax haven. Every transaction is tracked. Every exchange reports. The IRS has the tools, the manpower, and the determination to catch you. Report your crypto, pay your taxes, or lose everything. This case is based on real IRS enforcement actions, Operation Hidden Treasure documentation, IRS criminal investigation reports on cryptocurrency, and publicly available cases of crypto tax evasion. If this video just saved you from making Daniel's mistake, subscribe to this channel. I break down real IRS cases every week, cases that will educate you, cases that could save your financial future. And if you have unreported crypto gains, talk to a tax attorney specializing in cryptocurrency today, not tomorrow. Today, file those amended returns, pay those taxes before the IRS shows up with a warrant. The IRS is tracking every blockchain, every wallet, every trade. They know more than you think.